Yeah, I want y'all to see this. All of that is aloe vera pulp. I killed my 360 mister. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the head wrap did not work, so it is now my backdrop. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go ahead and stop right now and click my last video so you can catch up on everything that I've been doing so far. If you are not already, I would like for you to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and, like my my videos too while you at it. I am Ken, and today I am going to be teaching you what is in my spray bottle. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to be taking my lovely 360 mister that I got at Sally's for about $8. And this is where we're going to put the stuff in so that, you can spray it all over your head. You can use a regular spray bottle, but I just love my 360 mister. Now I'm going to be taking my Brita filter and I'm going to be pouring the water halfway to 3/4 up the bottle. I do like to use purified or distilled water because it is cleaner than the water that you do take from the sink. Now that the bottle is filled, relatively halfway filled with water, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some tea tree oil and I'm going to add a couple drops to the bottle. Next, I'm going to be taking some Jamaican black castor oil and I'm going to be adding that to the bottle as well. Now, Jamaican black castor oil has been a staple in my hair routine for a couple years now, and I love Jamaican black castor oil so much that I go through a bottle almost every 2 months. It moisturizes and it strengthens your hair. I also use Jamaican black castor oil for things like trying to grow out my eyebrows and doing lip scrubs. Now it's time for the star of the show. It's aloe vera, and we all know the benefits of aloe vera. I hope we do. It promotes hair growth and it's just all around really, really great. Now I'm about to pour the aloe vera in my bottle, and this is where everything went completely wrong. Now, instead of me pouring just the whole aloe vera in my bottle, I should have strained the pulp out of the aloe vera before I put it in there. And look at me, all happy with this aloe vera, but little did I know I was gonna break my 360 mister. So please do not put the aloe vera that you blend up, all of it, inside your 360 mister. You will kill your 360 mister and you will be crying. Last but not least, I'm going to be using Diva Curl's One Condition Delight. And you can use any conditioner, but I do like to use this conditioner because it is really, really, really nice. It makes my hair feel super duper soft, super duper bouncy, and it produces some type of shine to my hair, which is really hard to do. Now I am going to screw the top on the 360 mister and shake out the product inside and clog up my 360 mister with aloe vera pulp. Again, please, 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 please learn from my mistakes and strain the aloe vera out before you put the aloe vera inside the 360 mister. It will save you a load of trouble. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video because I just broke my 360 mister doing this video. Okay, so usually I freeze my aloe vera and then I put it in here, so when the aloe vera melts, it has the consistency of water. Okay, so what I did was, as I described earlier, I used the whole aloe vera, which means I put the whole aloe vera in a blender. And the pulp from the aloe vera got stuck in my 360 mister, and now I have to get a new one. So yeah, anyways, if you like this video, please please like and subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and I will be back next week for another video.